Welcome back, guys. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you're joining us. Let's get this party started with sandblasting. Obviously, everything's been acetoned here already. Again, when you're sandblasting sharp items, make sure you don't ever sandblast directly at the edge. That's going to cause problems. But today, we put the camera inside the sandblast cabinet so you guys can get a better view. The camera doesn't always pick up through the window as good as what I'm seeing. So we wanted to give you guys that little up close and personal, if you know what I'm saying. So really, guys, there's not a whole bunch to talk about through this. A lot of the time, you just want to make sure that your item is completely cleaned, degreased, blasted. You really want to make sure that surface is great, because when your surface layer goes on, that's going to be what's important. That's what's going to give you your durability. Secondary layers, third, fourth, however many layers you're doing, that base layer is really what counts, because that's what's going to give you your protection. But, you know, Cerakote's totally customizable, so we're going to do whatever we can do and hopefully give you guys a good show here. Also, I'm going to give a quick shout out to my man Weldon Carey. Y'all check him out. He's the local knife guy, so I don't know how local he is, but he's the knife guy I started with, really. So make sure you go check him out and see what's going on there. Also, quick to note that all these videos I do for you guys to bring you guys entertainment and hope to spread the awesomeness that is Burkle Cerakote. These are paid for by Burkle Cerakote. So any subscribers or likes, follows really does help the channel, because as of right now, these knives are bought by us and Cerakoted by us. But it is quick to note that while we are doing these pocket knives, this pocket knife series, I think there's 5 or 6 of them. After the video, they will be on our website if you would like to purchase them. So if you want, please go check those out on burklecerakote.com.
So what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another day in the shop at Burkle Cerakote. Today we're going to start with our Midnight Blue. We're going to take a look and see what happens. We are going to try to imitate this pattern in a way. So let's see what we can do with it, and hopefully make it look amazing. But you know how it goes, guys. Let's get a start on it. Alright, guys. Midnight Blue on the wraps. Hope y'all enjoyed the sandblast video. The new sandblast video is from inside the cabinet. So we'll see how that works this time. Hopefully it worked amazing and everybody loves it and it's awesome. By the way, if you're watching this, guys, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Come back, see our videos, watch what we're doing. We're some pretty down-to-earth folks, just like to do Cerakote. And we also own a company called Burkle Cerakote LLC. But if you have any questions about Cerakote or you're interested in getting something done, please email us, burklecerakote@outlook.com, or check us out on burklecerakote.com for more info. But while you're at it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Would be much appreciated, y'all. Oh no! Alright. First color on the way. See how she turns out. I get a lot of questions on how we do things. So, I mean, there's some stuff I can tell you, obviously. So, first of all, with the base coat, we're going to go thicker. Why? Because that's your protective layer. So, let's see how this pans out, y'all. Okay, so there's our first coat. Black. Well, looks black. It's actually midnight blue, but it's so dark it doesn't look blue. So, alright guys, so there's our first color. We're going to get our stencils on. These are our stencils that we're using right now. I will not be using these leaves as I had done my own leaves, so I did cut the leaves off in order to make room for what we are doing. So we're going to do that first. Try to get this to where we want it. Now, remember, we are doing multiple different colors here. The branches, we're kind of going to try to make these black, whereas the leaves are going to be in a smoked bronze. So, really interested to see how that turns out. But I'm going to just give it a looky. Let's see what happens here. Now, I don't expect these to match perfectly to the handle, because, I mean, we can't do a three-dimensional in paint. I mean, I'm sure you can, but with what we're kind of doing, it's not really where we're going with it. So we'll see what happens. But the next color of today, guys, is smoked bronze. We'll see how this turns out. Should be pretty cool. Alright, so our plan is to Cerakote this stuff real good for yous. Hopefully, that's how it turns out. But you never know, yo. You never know. Every time we coat, it's like, show me something good. Tell me that you love me. Yeah. Shake the paint. Yeah, we just have fun out here, y'all. That's all we do. That's how we do. We have fun. If you're going to do something, might as well have fun doing it. Oh, look at that, guys. It's a really awesome brownish, bronzy color. I know the camera doesn't do justice for the metallic, but it does have metallic in it. So, alright, guys. Round 2. Let's see how this beauty comes out. Also, if y'all wonder what I'm doing when I do this, I'm not spraying. I'm actually using the air to blow anything off that may have accumulated on here while I set it over here, because we don't want dust and stuff in there. So, obviously, jeez. Alright, guys. And she's bronze! Alright, y'all. It's time for our set of stencils here. So, these are the leaves we printed out. They're going to be kind of a pain in the butt to get on. I knew they were. So, let's try to make it. Could probably use some of the other leaves too, but I really like these because they're more of the three-dimensional, and I kind of like that aspect of it. This side. Want to get that maple leaf on there for all you Canadians, eh? If I can fit her on there, I don't even know. Misunderstood the sheer size of this blade. By misunderstood the size of the blade, I meant that I didn't realize it's so damn small. Okay. I think that about does it for our leaves, y'all. I don't really know if I want another one. Yeah. A couple here and a couple there is probably all we're going to do. All right. That's that. Now it's time for our last and final coat.
It's white. Just in case you didn't know, it's white.
Hot day, sweat, bored, suffocating heat. Hand stained color of fight sharp edges to meet. Breathe deep, fume Cerakote through the lung. Every new coat protection screams from the tongue. Steel leather blades to blazing lights. Grit and grind will pay for the pride. Sunrise to dusky strokes with the brush. Chasing perfection in every flawless run. Goaded his struggle, trees catch fire. Hands of the worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless night, forged in paint. Color and armor, a craftsman's creed. Body and soul, the path of bleed. Storms in the mind, but steady the hand. Reflect his spirit on cold metal land. Slays the brow like acid rain. Forge of survival ingrained with pain. Touch of artistry, blast of rage. Every piece holds the warrior stage. Thunder rolls through skies of chrome. Vision of
So here's the thing, ding-a-ling. We used to go and do the screws white. Why are we doing the screws white? Because I want them white. No, I'm just kidding. It's because that way the screws aren't as seen as the other everything else. Incognito, bro. Okay? So, all right.
It's white.
All right, y'all's favorite part. Let's start some stencil peeling. Oh, thank you, Lord. It's gorgeous.
Hot day, sweat, bore, suffocating heat. Hand stained color of fight sharp edges to meet. Breathe deep, fumes Cerakote through the lung. Every new coat protection screams from the tongue. Steel leather blades to blazing lights. Grit and grind will pay for the pride. Sunrise to dusk, he strokes with the brush. Chasing perfection in every flawless run. Though did he struggle, trees catch fire. Hands of the worker, blood's desire. Layer by layer, guard his fate. Endless night, forged in paint. Color and armor, a craftsman's creed. Body and soul, the path of bleed. Storms in the mind, but steady the hand. Reflect his spirit on cold metal land. Slays the brown like acid rain. Forge of survival ingrained with pain. Touch of artistry, blast of rage. Every piece holds the warrior stage. Thunder rolls through skies of chrome. Vision of battle and calling it home. From bites to blades, the clash of might. Each coat a testament goes of the fight.
There she is, guys. Beautiful. Let's put her in for final cure. We'll put her together and show you what she looks like.